Alright guys, so I figured I'd do a video on these Tech Max LED bulbs that I purchased for my wife's 2018 Nissan Kicks. So her light output was pretty terrible, even with the factory upgrades like the Silver Star headlights we tried, still didn't work. She does have a reflector housing, so I didn't want to purchase like a HID, but these had some really good reviews online, so I just wanted to try them out and see how they work. The actual product looks pretty darn good as far as this is how they actually send it to you here. Um, they actually have their own cooling on them, which is kind of interesting. There's a little fan, as you can see. The harnesses are plug and play, so it shouldn't really be an issue. And then on this specific car, there isn't a cap in the corner, as you can see where the lights, the harnesses are just exposed. So no worrying about cutting or anything like that. So we're going to try putting one of these in one side and then do a comparison on the light output and see how it works out from there. Removing the lamp is very simple. So with this harness, I'm going to pull it out so you can see here, you actually just push this back with your thumb or a small screwdriver if you have it, and actually just pull down. So you're gonna, it was connected like so, and then you just press down and pull it off. Then you actually rotate this towards, so when it's locked in, it locks towards the driver's side of the car. To loosen it, it's literally just rotate it towards the passenger side of the car, and she comes right out. And so there's the Silver Star. And now I'm going to plug in the other bulbs, and then we'll go from there. Alright, so the important thing with these bulbs is you want to make sure that it's actually going up and down like that is, that they're not, you want them vertical, you don't want them horizontal, so up and down, because if you put them locked in where they're actually horizontal, the light beams will end up throwing the light at the ground and the top of the car instead of reflecting normally like it would on the road surface. It actually clicked in, no problems here at all, and then the harness actually plugged in really easy as well. You can see, sorry, trying to do this one-handed, but it literally just clicks right in, no problems. Alright, so we're going to test it and see how she throws light. Alright, so I know this isn't the best situation, but as you can see with these lights, the right side, hopefully it's catching the quality, which is where I replaced the bulb. I wouldn't say it's drastically brighter, but it's definitely a much clearer light. And it also seems like the beam trends up a little bit higher, possibly meaning that it gets a little bit further of a distance. Also, I mean, it's not picking up the clarity on my phone, but you can just, it's the clarity between the left and right side, because you're going from like a 3000K to like roughly a 5000K. It just seems like it's a lot better. So we're going to test these out over the next coming weeks, and then I'll post if we have any problems or anything like that. But it does seem like it's a pretty good upgrade, especially for the cost. I mean, this is the driver's side light, and this is the passenger side light, just in the light output. I mean, this cost, I mean, these bulbs were roughly $35. I mean, it's half the cost of what we paid for the upgraded Silver Stars, which honestly don't seem like they can compare. But thanks again for watching. If you have any questions about the install, I mean, it's pretty straightforward. I'll try to answer them. But yeah, I'll put down the link below from Amazon where I picked these up, and uh, like and subscribe. Thank you.